everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to do chapter All That Glitters Is Not Gold of Moral Science. Value is correct judgment. Name of the story is simplicity. Moral, analyze a thing properly as outer looks can be deceptive. Appearances are often deceptive. We cannot judge a person through dash outward appearance. Many things appear dash. So many things appear attractive superficially. We should find out the true dash of a thing, nature of a thing. We should not form an opinion on the basis of superficial impression. A good cover does not dash a good dash. A good cover does not guarantee a good content. A wise, discerning person does not accept things at their face value. He becomes dash of a person, suspicious of a person or a thing that appears to be good to be true. What presents us in front of others are appearance. What has been of great importance for human beings since centuries? Physical appearance. A very few people have a beautiful dash personality with a pure heart. A good one needs no push. We generally get attracted towards people by their personality, character, behavior, dressing sense, etc. This sentence, we generally get attracted, one, is on page number 44. We have finished all the possible extra question answers over here from this page. Now we are going towards this page. We've started this page. Alright, let's start the list. When people dash or dash us, deceive or cheat us, then we realize our mistake. Next is, when do we realize our mistake? When people deceive or cheat us, then we realize our mistake. We are generally carried away by the dash of people, outer appearance of the people, without making internal assessment. We cannot judge qualities and dash. We cannot judge qualities and behavior. No, it is character. We cannot judge qualities and behavior of a person on the basis of his appearance only. We may find that simple or unattractive looking or unimpressive people possess a quality and character of high dignity. Appearance of stones and metals in dash form, in raw form, is bad, but their dash appearance is good. Finished appearance is good. Jewelry sold nowadays is imitation jewelry. Is it real gold? No, it is not real gold. Next is, this jewelry is made of dash metal, inferior metal, and is polished to give them a shine. Valuable thing may not have a good appearance. Name one color and its significance. Saffron color, its significance is renunciation and selflessness. People wearing dash color, saffron color, are considered to be saints who give correct advice and guidance to the people. All people wearing saffron color are saints? False. In the name of sainthood, people have accumulated wealth and property. They have exploited the faith of innocent disciples. A foolish man can never be wise by pretending to be wise. One is often tempted towards dash external beauty, or you can say outward appearance. Even the wise fall dash to such temptations. Even the wise fall prey to such temptations. This is written over here, page number 44, the last line above the name of the story. Even the wise fall prey to such temptations. Let's start with the story. Name of the boy is Sonu. His father was a postmaster in a small village near Lucknow. So it was not in Lucknow, it was near Lucknow, that village. Though Sonu was poor, but he was very intelligent and hardworking. He wore dash clothes, simple clothes, and did not look smart like his classmates. Sonu was a rich boy. False. He was a poor boy. तो आप सोनू के लिए कौन से words use कर सकते हो? Sonu was poor, he was very intelligent, he was hardworking, simple looking. Alright. These words you can use for Sonu. Next is, Sonu ignored everyone's dash comments and concentrated on his own studies. Once there was dash surprise inspection in the school, and then dash came. Inspector came to take the IQ test. What did the inspector do when Sonu answered correctly? When Sonu answered correctly, the inspector patted Sonu's shoulder and praised him. All boys and teachers were impressed with Sonu's intelligence. Name two great men who were simple. महात्मा गांधी और ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर. यहाँ पे आपने अब्राहम लिंकन और बहुत सारे बंदों का नेम नहीं लिख देना, क्योंकि ये चैप्टर में ही हमारे को सिर्फ और सिर्फ दो बंदों के नाम दिए हैं, महात्मा गांधी, ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर. और किसी के बारे में हमारे को बताया ही नहीं हुआ इस चैप्टर में. ऑलराइट, महात्मा गांधी वेंट टू England to attend a round table conference wearing a dhoti. Another great leader was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, who carried his luggage on his own. Outward appearances are always deceptive. They never tell us the truth. We should try to see through a person's good qualities. We should study his head and soul first. Then decide if he is worthy of our trust and friendship. The proverb reveals reality that never trust your first impression. तो ये जो proverb है never trust your first impression, ये all that glitters is not gold का भी मतलब है कि अपने पहली बार अगर किसी बंदे को देखा है उसी पे ट्रस्ट मत कर लो. द आईज लाई, हमारी आईज झूठ बोलती हैं उस टाइम पे. वी शुड यूज आर माइंड एंड सोल टू डिटरमाइन वेदर समथिंग इज राइट और रॉन्ग. एजुकेशन एंड नॉलेज and improve awareness among masses. A layman can be misled, but knowledgeable person cannot be misled. We should use our intellect to judge people and things and should be unaffected by their appearances. Outer appearances are always deceptive. So we should analyze a thing properly, or we should analyze all the aspects properly. Now we will do the back question answers. Let's complete the back exercises of this chapter. Then we will move on to back question answers. Alright. A Mughal emperor who made caps and wrote Quran by his hand is Aurangzeb. A man who spent his life in a dhoti and used a walking stick, cleaned his own toilet and spun thread, Mahatma Gandhi. A man who carried other people's luggage is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Lady who went around hospital with a lamp and looked after poor and wounded soldiers is Florence Nightingale. Man who left princely life of poor and sick people, he was enlightened under a banyan tree is Gautam Buddha. Outer appearances are never deceptive. False outer appearances are deceptive. A foolish man can never be wise by pretending to be wise. This is true. Okay. Next is Sonu was rich. False. Sonu was not rich. He looked smart. No. This is false. Everyone answered inspector's questions. This is also false. Only Sonu answered. Use your intellect to judge people. Yes, we should use. Now let's do the question answers. Can you judge a person from his outer appearance? Why? We cannot judge a person merely through his or her outward appearance, as appearances are often deceptive. It is difficult to know one's virtues or qualities at a glance. Sometimes we are drawn towards a person by his outer show, but later we realize that we judged him wrong. Next is, we should find out the true nature of a thing. Why? We should find out the true nature of a thing because many things appear attractive superficially, but very often things are not what they seem to be. We should not form an opinion about things on the basis of superficial impression. The reality hidden behind the glittering thing should be identified. Was Sonu better than other students? How can you say that? Yes, Sonu was better than other students because when inspector came to take the IQ test of the children, no one could solve the problems correctly except Sonu. Everyone in his class used to make fun of him, but Sonu never cared about them. He ignored everyone's comments and concentrated on his studies. In your own words, write what do you understand from the proverb, all that glitters is not gold. We understand that outward appearances are always deceptive. They never tell us the truth. So we should not consider anyone's outward show only. We should analyze the thing properly and use our intelligence to judge people and things. या फिर we should use our intellect. Alright. Question number 5, the last question. What is the moral of the story? Simplicity. The moral of the story simplicity is analyze a thing properly as outer looks can be deceptive. So here we complete the question answers which are given at the back of the chapter. पेज नंबर 36 वाले जो क्वेश्चन है वो हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक इट प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. फॉर मोर नोटिफिकेशंस प्लीज टैप ऑन द बेल आइकन. थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून्ड.